Welcome to this beautifully updated one-story ranch-style home in Manor, Texas. The open concept layout seamlessly connects the kitchen and living area, complete with dark stainless steel appliances, shaker-style cabinetry, and upgraded lighting perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. Located just minutes from Manor shopping, dining, Highway 290, and Toll 130, this home offers the perfect blend of style, comfort, and convenience. Outside, enjoy an extended gated driveway leading to a detached garage, plus the privacy of having no rear neighbors as the home backs to a scenic 13.9-acre greenbelt. Reach out to us, www.taylorrealtygroup.com,